Touted as Canada's largest showcase of utility products and services, the Canadian Utilities Equipment and Engineering Trade Show and Marketplace, also known as CUEE, returns to Mississauga's International Centre, September 13th and 14th. Hosted by the Electricity Distributors Association, organizers say this is the premier event for utility and construction professionals for gaining insight into the latest technologies, innovations, and trends affecting their industry. Several members of CUE's Commercial Steering Committee join me now to talk about CUE 2022. Now, before we get into it, I would like to go around the room and have you introduce yourselves and tell us about your connection with CUE and possibly Electricity Distributors Association. Jerry, why don't we start with you?
I'm Jerry Sampson. I'm the Regional Director of Transmission and Distribution for Forbes Bros Limited. And I've been a member of the Commercial Steering Committee with the EDA for a good number of years now. I'm going to say 5 to 6 years.
Okay, my name is Peter Vickery. I'm Vice President and Strategic Business Partner for HCL Canada. And I've been part of the Commercial Steering Committee, I hate to say, 35 years, starting in the industry right out of school.
I'm Travis Vanden Tillaart. I'm the Eastern Canada Area Manager for Altec Industries, and we are one of the larger exhibitors at the CUE show every second year. We're also a member of the EDA.
For the benefit of those who may be unfamiliar with this show, with this event, because we're all familiar with it, why do people attend CUE? What kind of people attend? What do they get out of it?
The EDA and CUE is fundamental for our organization and all commercial entities. Now, what makes the CUE show dynamic is that you're going to have the senior players there. You're going to have the C-level players there. You're going to have the guys that are out on, guys and girls, I should say, out on the line doing the work. You're going to see bucket trucks, aerial things. You're going to see software, equipment that you're using.
Certainly, first and foremost, I think the CUE show is certainly the most important aspect to an exhibitor like ourselves. Just again, the platform, the audience, being able to showcase our equipment, our services to that audience is huge for a company like us. Who, I mean, this is our core products, the core services.
Now, Jerry, I want to make sure that I don't miss you. Maybe you can speak a little bit about some of the things that might be experienced, the people you can talk to at CUE, possibly through membership in Electricity Distributors Association, about all the burgeoning opportunities that are out there.
It's funny. That's one thing that I wanted to speak to. There's a real interest in that. There's a lot of suppliers, a lot of designers, the manufacturers like Travis coming in there that we get a look at. You know, how do you build a bigger, better mousetrap? And there's a lot of strategy happens at a show like this, and it's the networking is just second to none. I really don't know what to expect out of this show other than everybody's going to put their best foot forward because we haven't been able to do it for so long. It's kind of the excitement getting away on me here. So.
No, that's good because the show is just a few weeks away. So it's good that we capture some of that excitement. And these are exciting times.
We actually have several people from our engineering department coming because it's, you know, when they see new products coming out, how do you inject that into new programs or new projects that we might be bidding? So there's a lot that network from design through execution to their handovers. It's key around there.
Well, I think Jerry hit the nail on the head when he said we're all very excited about this. The whole industry in general is going through a very evolutionary process, new technologies, new product. And these are the things that are going to be shown at CUEE. You're going to see things that are so dynamic. And over my career, I thought I saw it all 20 years ago. And now I'm just every day, I'm learning something new. And this is what people can come to the show and really see firsthand and talk to the experts that are introducing that technology or product to the industry.
I mean, I can piggyback on that a little bit, and I mean, to Peter's point, there has been such a vast change in the industry, even over the last 4 years. I mean, there is such a focus on zero emissions throughout the industry now. I mean, with fleet electrification, and I mean, just so much that has evolved that people really haven't had an opportunity to, I mean, connect with at a trade show like environment over the past 4 years. So
there must be something new in Travis's business that I haven't been exposed to. There must be something new in somebody else's business that we haven't seen yet. So this is actually a great time to either go and see it, pick it up and touch it, or to hear about it face to face. And I think that's something that we've really been lacking and we're very much in need of.